In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a notification pop-up to your Weebly site in just 5 minutes. First, let's head over to the Weebly website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Weebly's URL, or simply search for Weebly in your search engine. Once you've reached the homepage, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your Weebly account. Now type in your email address associated with your Weebly account in the email field. Once you've done that, click the next button to continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Be sure to input your correct password in the respective field. Then click on the login button to access your account. This should take you directly to the overview of your Weebly dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll notice an option that says Edit Site. Click on this button to begin customizing your website. Once you've entered the site editor, the next step involves interacting with apps. So on the top menu, find and click on the Apps section. This area is your gateway to various functionalities that can enhance your website's performance. In the Apps section, use the search bar to look for pop-ups. Type pop-ups into the search bar and press enter. You'll see a list of pop-up apps appear in the results. Take a moment to browse through, read the descriptions and ratings if you'd like, and select the pop-up app that best matches your needs. Once you've made a choice, go ahead and click on the app to proceed with adding it to your site. After opening the selected pop-up app, you'll find an Add button. Click this button to begin the installation process. Installing the app integrates the pop-up functionality into your Weebly site, making it easy for you to create and manage pop-ups as needed. Last but not least, you'll see an option to connect the app to your site. Click on Connect to finalize the addition of the notification pop-up. This will enable the app and allow it to interact with your Weebly site seamlessly. Congratulations, you've successfully added a notification pop-up to your Weebly site. Take a moment to explore the settings of your newly added app, customize it to fit your brand's needs, and start engaging with your visitors more effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos